Let's talk about the 3 best digital products to sell as a self-published author without using Amazon KDP. The first best digital product to sell as a self-published author without using Amazon KDP are Printables. Printables are basically digital downloads that you create that somebody can purchase from you and then print at home. And the reason why this is such an incredible revenue stream as a self-published author is because it costs you $0. I love digital products for this reason. Printables can be in the form of planner pages, journal prompts, gratitude journals. They can be workbook companion sheets. They can be a food log, a recipe sheet, anything that enhances somebody's ability to take action on what you teach in your book. Now, to create really nice planners that people actually purchase with your book, you gotta make sure that your book is a clear solution to a clear problem, because the planners enhance somebody's ability to apply the solution you teach in your book. What I mean is the printable should not be required to use the solution you teach in your book, but it should enhance it. For example, in 2017, I wrote a book called The War of Purpose, and it teaches you the 7 key principles to living God's greatest purpose for your life. One of the key principles is creating a vision board of what the Lord has purposed you to do. And I say, by the way, I teach you how to create a vision board, but do you want to purchase my templates? You can go here. And then I sent them to godwood.com where they can then purchase my printable. It's easy money when you have a book that's a clear solution to a clear problem. Okay, so don't judge my design here. Be kind to me, all right? I think I designed these in like 2017 or something like that. But this is Unleash Your Legend, and these are some of the printables that I did with them. So this is the book itself. The book is pretty cute. Let me see what date is on this. What is this cut? 2015. Okay, so it's designed a long time ago. Be kind. So this is the devotional itself. And in the devotional, I talk about mindset. So I also gave them this printable. This is an affirmation worksheet. Literally, you get to just, fill it out, write it down. And this is based off the exact same things I taught in the ebook. This is just, it's literally a printable. And then this is the vision board. Again, in the book, I can't remember what chapter it is, but I talk about painting the vision of your purpose once you know it. I think it was in part 2, whatever, it doesn't matter. So I said, if you want the print on demand vision board, you can go to godwood.com and grab it. And then I think I designed this. Oh, this is 8.5 by 11, but I'm pretty sure I sold the huge one. It was 18 by 24. But yeah, simple. And you sell these through the actual book. You just got to make sure whatever printables you create help somebody to take action what you teach in your book faster, but it's not required to take action on the book. The second best digital product to sell as a self-published author without using Amazon KDP is an audiobook. It's an audiobook. I'm going to tell you something that has changed my life. If you use AI, you can create an audiobook for your book based on your own voice without ever having to record one word of it. You heard me correctly. You can create an audiobook for your book based on your own voice without ever having to record one word. And it's through the power of AI. Some of the AI's technologies do require an investment and some of them don't. You're gonna choose based on your own research. I'll show you the one that I use. It does require a small investment, but to me, it is worth it 100%. So basically, you're gonna record your audiobook using AI. You're not gonna actually record it. You're gonna have AI generated based on your voice. And then you're gonna download the files as MP3 files, edit them, and you can list them for sale. So I wrote this book, Achieve Your Goals. This says 2020. But I think I wrote it before then. I might have just reformatted it. But anyway, in the book, I just teach about goal setting and things like that. And so I turned it into an audiobook, and these are the audiobook files. So I exported them. I had them as MP3s and then added the video cover file here. And then I exported them as videos, but it's still an audiobook because you would literally just press play on it. And then I listed it for sale, or I streamed it on my Godwood Girl TV platform. So if you're a Godwood Girl TV member, when you're on the main page, you can go over to, where did I put it? It's under the audiobook section. Podcast, here we go, audiobooks. And then right here, it's Achieve Your Goals. And so somebody can literally just press play and stream this whole entire thing. And it's such a simple way to upsell your book, because they get the book, but then on the next page or on the same page as a one-click upsell, you can say, hey, are you an auditory listener? I actually recorded this. You can grab it for $37, $47. On Audible, they sell them for a pretty good amount of money. And it's the same information that you wrote inside of your book. And then the third best digital product to sell as a self-published author without using Amazon KDP is an online course. Love online courses. Online courses are amazing. First of all, I've invested in a lot of education in my life. I have my undergraduate degree, I have my master's degree, and then I started my doctorate, but I dropped out of school when those student loan payment kicks in. However, I started. So I love education. I love learning. And anybody who has gone to higher education is used to paying a premium for those classes. I remember University of Miami was like $3,000 a pop. It was insane how much money I was spending. And so when I started selling my books online, I learned from a guy named Justin Atlin, and he was explaining this concept of not only just having the ebook, but having the online course version as well as a companion. So you can sell your books for a higher profit margin. And I was like, yeah. Because if I paid $3,000 to the University of Miami to learn about writing, then why can't somebody pay me that money to learn about writing, right? Like it's just a mindset shift. All it is a mindset shift. And so I did that. So that product at the time was the Complete Ab Makeover. I had abs at the time. I don't have them anymore, but I had abs. So I created this ebook called the Complete Ab Makeover, which taught women how to get abs. And then I recorded the videos of myself actually doing it. So that was the online course version. And then I sold it as a $47 bundle. It was awesome. And people actually purchased it. And so I took that same business model and I bought it into Godwood Girl when I launched Godwood Girl. Godwood Girl began as daily devotionals, and then we moved into personal development. Personal development is where I really started doing this. Godwood Girl Prayers of Victory and Young Christian Joy. Those were my first two books, my first two devotionals, I should say. I don't think I ever turned them into courses. I may have. I can't remember. But I do know I turned my book, Unleash Your Legend. That was a daily devotional about how to live your God-given purpose. I turned that into the Live Your Legend video bootcamp. The exact same information that I teach in the Unleash Your Legend book, which I sold for $27, I recorded and put it into my $297 Live Your Legend video bootcamp. It was the same information. And I told people it was the same information. What I said in the sales funnel was, okay, you just purchased the book, but if you're a visual learner and you want to see examples of all this, I recorded all those examples in the Live Your Legend video bootcamp. Beautiful. That is how you're able to sell your books for a premium value. You don't have to charge $2.99 for your book. You just need to pair it with an online course showing somebody how to do what you teach in your book. So again, with Achieve Your Goals, I wanted to turn it into an actual online course. And so I created the Goal Mastery Bootcamp. And the Goal Mastery Bootcamp teaches you the same exact things that I teach you in the book, but it's visual learning. So each of these videos, they actually take you through the steps. And I also give you like worksheets, because these worksheets reflect what's in the videos, which AKA reflects what's inside of the book itself. And it's the same information. So once you write the book, you just record yourself. Now, this is a little bit more extensive. So now when I do courses, I don't do them like this. This was actually a lot of work to do. I had a green screen. I had the color key out or chrome key out. It was a lot. But this is back in the day. I would never do it like that today. I think this was recorded 2018. So it's just an easy way to upsell what you already have written in your book. And you can list, but people are used to paying over $100 for courses. Oh, sometimes over $1,000, depending on, the kind of investments they've made. So it's a great way to make more money with the same information that you have put inside of your book. Once you create these digital products, go ahead and list them for sale on your own website. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to very quickly create your own website using this incredible AI technology. And you can put all these products for sale on that website, and it's just incredible. You all have access to this, okay? I'm really excited to show this to you. I'm so excited to show you how to build your website quickly using AI. A huge shout out to hostingjoy.com. They have sponsored today's video and they've given me a discount code for you guys. Go to hostingjoy.com/godlywoodgirl. Go ahead and pick your plan. I love the business plan. You get multiple websites, and the best thing, 0% transaction fee. So when you make a sale, you actually get to keep it. So go ahead and click choose plan. And then what I love about Hostinger, the longer the period that you choose, the less you'll pay each month. So if you do the 48-month plan, oh my goodness, look at this. Like if you were on Shopify, it would be $29 per month no matter how long you're on there. I love that about Hostinger. They reward your longevity. And you'll also get free additional months included when you do the longer period plan. And then over here where it says have a coupon code, click that and type in Godwood Girl, and shout out to Hostinger. They gave me a 10% off coupon exclusive for you guys. Just put in Godwood Girl and it'll take 10% off your order. So go ahead and click continue. So first thing first, put your brand name in here. So I'll say Authors of Purpose and description. I create ebooks and digital products to help women of Christ live their God given purpose. And because I said products, it suggested add an online store. Go ahead and let that stay checked in. And then click create a website. Wow, look at this. That is stunning. They even ebooks, courses, resources. That is so cool. Oh my goodness. Yeah, Hostinger. That's Hostinger. Isn't that amazing? I love this thing. So go ahead and click continue. And the first thing you want to do is add your products. So these are digital products, so it's a little easier. So just click here, add products, and I'm going to select digital products. Upload your image, and AI is going to write your description for you based off of your image, which is so cool. So the first thing I'll upload is the vision board. Again, please don't make fun of my design, okay? I was young. Look at this. It wrote it for me. How amazing is that? I love it. So I'll keep the price the same. And then you're just going to upload the file that you want. So I'll click here for them to be able to download. And then I like to give them 30 days and then click save. Next, add product again. This is a digital product. Upload with the AI. And this time I'll do the Achieve Your Purpose audiobook. Click open and I'll put audiobook. And then for the audiobook, I'm going to charge $37. So since it's an audiobook, you can either upload your actual files, which I don't recommend because then they own them forever. But I recommend you actually do. You'll see that they support YouTube, Dropbox, um, Google Drive, OneDrive, a lot of the familiar ones. So what I would do is just upload my audiobook as a playlist to YouTube as unlisted, and then put this link to the unlisted playlist. That way the regular public doesn't get it, but the person who purchases it can get access to it right away. And so you would just put that link there. So just because this is a demo, I don't actually have that playlist. So I'll just pretend and upload the PNG file. But yeah, lots of different ways that you can deliver that. And then go ahead and click save. And then third, add product again. And we want to add our course. So again, this is a digital product. I'll click here and then I'll navigate to my course. Look at this. Isn't that amazing? So I'll just change this to online course instead of webinar. Online course. Okay. And then for courses, I like to sell mine for at least $97. And again, because this is a digital course, go ahead and click add link. And then you can upload this as unlisted on YouTube and just put a link to the playlist here. But for the sake of time, I'm just going to click upload files, 30 days, and click save. Awesome. So we do need to delete these extra products that AI made for us, but these are great ideas, so keep those in mind. I'll click delete. And once you have your digital products up, go ahead and click edit website. Hostinger is what you see is what you get. So you literally click and edit, click and edit, click and edit. It's pretty great. So over here, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these extra pages that I don't need because I am only sending traffic here from my book. So I'll delete the purpose page and I'll also delete the resources page. Excellent. I'm going to click here, click edit section. I'm going to change this to a video. You guys know how I am about videos. And I'll put purpose. And I love these images with the planners, with the goals, completely my aesthetic. I'll select that item. I'll keep this the same with shop. And then over here, Even though I do love how this is set up, I actually want this just to go straight to our products. So I'm going to click here and then just delete this section. And then for here, I'll click edit section, go to layout, and then you can change how much spacing you have and how many columns. So I'll just do 3 because this is just 3, and then maybe add a little bit of spacing, just a little bit. Maybe do portrait, original, or landscape. I'll do original. Okay, good. And then I'll click here, click delete, click here, click delete. And then down here, this is what you see is what you get. So you can click and edit as you need to. I recommend always keeping your contact button because you always want to be growing your email list. And once you're all done, so the only thing is I think I want to change this back to an image. So I'll just click edit section, image, replace image, free images, and then let me search books. Ooh, I like this coloring. That's very pretty. I like this one too. I'm gonna go with the original, this one. Add to page. Oh, and it's a Bible. Look at that. How I knew that was a Bible. So now my website is up and running, and the goal is just to grab in my book, promote each of these. So in the book, I'll say, go to my website at purposedpublishing.com and then click the goal setting course. You know what I mean? So you'll promote the actual links inside of your book. So to preview what your final website looks like, just click preview and you can take a look at your final site with your digital products. And once you approve everything, go back to editor, connect your domain, and then click go live. And that's it. You have a website for your digital products in minutes. Shout out to Hostinger for making this so simple for us. So to get started with your website, go to hostinger.com/godwoodgirl. Use discount code godwoodgirl at checkout to take 10% off your entire hosting plan. If you don't know how to write a book that's a solution to a problem, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. I created something for you called the Godwood Girl Faith-Based Author School. And in that author school, I created the 31-day Write Your Book Bootcamp, where I literally show you step by step how to write and self-publish your own book using my problem solution framework. Yes, it's my framework. Don't try to steal it. I'm going to show you. Once you create these digital products, go ahead and list them for sale on your own website. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to very quickly create your own website using this incredible AI technology. And you can put all these products for sale on that website, and it's just incredible. You all have access to this, okay? I'm really excited to show this to you. Your journey as a faith-based author. I've created a brand new community called the Godwood Girl Faith-Based Author School just for women like you who want to move forward in your purpose as a woman of Christ writing books. The school includes the Author Toolkit, which has 10 tutorials for 10 different types of Christian books you can write, including nonfiction books, daily devotionals, prayer journals, ebooks. There's a lot in there. You'll get access to the Godwood Girl Book Funnel Toolkit, which shows you how to take your book, bundle it up, and put it into a sales funnel, including a lead magnet funnel, a tripwire funnel, and my very favorite, a webinar funnel. You'll get access to the book promotion toolkit, which shows you how to create a marketing plan to promote your funnel, because in order for people to buy our books, right, we have to tell them about it. And that's what the marketing toolkit shows you how to do. Plus, you'll get access to a community of other women who are writing faith-based books just like you are. Sis, you do not have to do this alone. Come join the brand new Godwood Girl Faith-Based Author School so you can get the tutorials you need, you can get the community you need, and most importantly, you can get the network that you need to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there. Visit ChristianAuthorSchool.com to fill out the application form and apply today. If you haven't yet started your business online as a faith-based author, watch my free 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge where I show you how to do it. Go to ChristianBusinessToolkit.com. And in the meantime, watch this tutorial for another resource to help you step into your purpose even faster. I can't wait to see what you create.